Today I'm reviewing the website of Mark Glennon. Mark is a photographer and director based in Los Angeles. His work spans numerous publications and clients, including Apple, Nike, Time, Esquire, Target, Adidas, and more. By following the tips and tricks discussed in this video, photographers will gain valuable insights on how to build a website that reflects their work, highlights their achievements, and provides a visually pleasing and user-friendly experience. Mark's site opens onto a tiled overview page highlighting some of his best work. This allows visitors to his site to get an instant snapshot of his style. Mark's homepage is a different gallery layout from the rest of his site. To achieve this, he's used a custom page with a tiled image set. Image sets allow you to embed galleries of images that have different layouts that vary from your theme. With an image set, you can also click on images and scroll through in slideshow mode. This makes for a great user experience because visitors can direct their own viewing experience of the page. The design, typography, and other visual elements of your site should reflect the style and tone of your work without distracting from your images. Mark is using the theme Kiln. This theme allows you to set your site menu to the top or bottom of the page. Mark has opted to set his menu to the bottom of the page and format his site logo as large, bold text. This gives his site a contemporary edge that suits his photography. Mark has kept the navigation of his site clean and clear. Client work, editorial, and diary. When we enter a page like client work, Mark has used a collection page to create image links to different client projects. This allows him to show the depth and breadth of his work and is also a nice way to call out his impressive client list. When you click through on one of the image links, each gallery has a 2-column masonry layout featuring a short, curated selection of images. Highlighting only a small, tailored selection of images for each project shows confidence and keeps the viewer engaged to look through other galleries. About pages are the most visited page on your website because people visiting your site want context about you and your work. Mark's About page features a good, succinct bio that covers his professional journey, background, and connects his photography style back to his identity. This page also features a list of clients and credits, as well as speaking engagements. This type of list format is really smart because it allows visitors to skim your experience quickly. At the bottom of the page, Mark has included a number of embedded videos featuring different behind-the-scenes aspects of his practice. When possible, including a video of a profile, interview, or anything that gives more context about your practice is really nice to have because it engages visitors in a different way than text and images can. Mark's About page goes from broad to specific, allowing visitors to get deeper into his practice as they engage with the page. We hope these tips have been helpful. For more information on building different parts of your site, please consult format.com/help for our library of tutorial videos, or reach out to our 24/7 customer experience team who would be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for using Format.